Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we'll be doing a quick demonstration video of the emergency light bulb. So this light bulb is something that everyone needs to have in their household just in case there's a power outage. This bulb will store the energy during the regular time of usage. For when there's a power outage, light will remain in this particular bulb. So we have the 9-watt bulb here that can store energy for usage up to 4 hours. It also save you on your electricity bulb. Electricity is also a LED light bulb. So this is what the bulb look like. So it looks just like a regular bulb. So within this bulb there is an emergency battery that stores the energy when you use the bulb regularly in your house. So you screw this bulb in your regular socket in the house. As a regular bulb, it provides lighting. It uses electricity, but when there's a power outage, the light will stay on because of the emergency battery that is within the bulb. Also, it comes with this, so you can remove the bulb from the socket. You can screw it on like this, very easy. There's a switch right here. You press it like that and you get lighting. So if you want to move about with this light, you can do that, or you can leave it in the socket in the house and keep the switch on in the house and the light will stay on. Let's go over to our setup to do a quick demonstration video of that part. So this is the regular switch in the house that you will switch on. So this is one of the bulb that is within there. So when there's a power outage, the light will stay on. You keep the switch on and the light will stay on. On a regular day, you screw the bulb in, you leave it just like any other bulb. You use it every night, provide lighting in the home, just like this one right now. Okay, so this is also a location where the bulb is actually in, so the camera light is off, and we're just showing you a space in which this bulb lights up currently. This is a very bright bulb. It's actually 810 lumens. So it's a very bright bulb, just like the regular bulb that you use at your home. The only difference is that this bulb stores the energy that you're using for when you need it, just in case there's a power outage. Great bulb to have in your home, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share with other persons.